Hi, greetings everyone. I welcome you all in the brand new video. Today in this video I will show you how you can use Cree AI for creating a conceptual art within just few seconds. Okay, so let's get into it. First of all, if you go to the Google and we'll search here Cree AI. Okay, so this is the website that you will get Cree.ai. So I will open this website. As soon as I open this website, we will get this kind of interface. You can see this the website is looking amazing and it's easy to use. You can do multiple features, but what we are going to use it for creating conceptual art. For creating conceptual art, you must need to create an account on this website. So first of all, let's create an account by just clicking on sign up for free. Here I will connect the account with my Google account, so it will fetch the detail automatically and my account will be created over the my Gmail account. Okay, so that's how I will make my account on this website. Like the other, like in other videos I have shown you how you can create an account on any website. So it will just start in banking to my account. As you can see that it has now given us a portion where we can write our prompt. Let's say we want to create a art. Okay, so you just need to click on this video sorry image section, and here you can write any select any image style that you want to use. Okay, you can upload image or you can also select an asset. Okay, so you if you want to like create an amazing different kind of your or conceptual idea, so let's say write it something like this: create uh, painting in which horse is riding over another horse. Okay, so that's our concept. Let's see how what kind of image it makes. So we have selected the image. Okay, so I just click on the generate button and it will start creating images with the help of the AI. Okay, so I will just click this option and you will see like it has created our conceptual in just a few clicks. You can see this is the horse riding a horse. You will the more accurate prompt you write, the more accurate result you will get. So that's how you can create conceptual art using Cree AI website. I hope you like the video. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.